gifts from Sallie Tomato. How are your holiday preparations coming? Are you still doing some last minute sewing? Well, today we released another project. This is exclusive to everybody who purchased the Advent Box. So if you like this pattern, it is not available on our website yet until 2023. So we're gonna open it up and I'm gonna reveal the special project that's inside. It says, Day 18, stitch up this gift to store your Santa surveillance cam. And here is the project. So this is a brand new pattern that I designed named Stuart. It's a chic camera bag with 2 sizes included in the pattern. There are exterior zipper pockets on both sides. And if you'd like, you can feature our new Sallie Tomato Make-A-Strap webbing for a custom finish. And it's very comfortable to wear the wider strap on your shoulder. So camera bags have evolved into being more of a boxy style purse. So you don't have to use it for your camera, but the larger size could certainly hold a body of a camera and some lenses. So I hope you enjoy stitching up this pattern, and I'll see you tomorrow to open up another present.